Welcome back. In this session, we are going to talk about introduction to objects. Now it's the time to learn about another data structure in JavaScript called objects. Till now, we are using arrays as our data structures. So basically to store multiple values in the same variable. So let's quickly wrap that. Let me just show you how we have worked out the. So this is how we just declared our arrays in the previous videos. Okay, so here we declared initially first name, last name, age, and our job, and here we just given a friends string, friends array here. So, but in this array, there is no way of giving these elements name, right? So we just couldn't give here name equals to loweth, right? We are just directly giving loweth. So we can't give a refer, so we can't refer them by name, but only by their order of their arrays. So to solve this, we need to add another data structure in JavaScript called objects. Okay. So in objects, we actually define the key value pairs. So then we can give each of these values as a name. So let's write here, let's say constant. So key here we are taking, so we are using curly braces, not the square braces here. So here we are declaring first name and colon, use this colon, and then we are going to declare here Lohit, and then using the comma operator, let's go for last name here and again. So it is going to be age, job, friends, is an array here. So with that, we are just calling out this. So this is the proper. So with this, we have an object with the five key value pairs. So Lohit and this and all, we are having five key value pairs here, and they are assigned to the values. This was not possible in array, but now it is possible in object. Now objects are fundamental concepts in JavaScript. So there are many ways of creating an objects, and simply writing a code creating an object by using this curly braces, it is the easiest way. So it is called an object literal structure because we are writing the entire object content. So to recap, just like arrays, we use objects to essentially group together with different variables that really belongs together, such as the properties of this low with P here that we are working with. Now, the big difference between objects and arrays is that in objects, the order of these values doesn't matter when we want to retrieve them. So whenever we want, suppose we in this objects, if you want to call out the job, we can just randomly just go ahead and call out this job. So there is no need to specify any values for this. But whereas in arrays, we need to specify the array assigned values number. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? If we want to call out the teacher, we need to declare 4. If you, in this case, if you want to just call out teacher, we'll just give our job name. We no need to give here this 4. Okay. So in arrays, the order is we specify the elements, the matters a lot because that's how we can access them, right? So we can access array elements using their order number. This means we should use arrays for more data and objects for more unstructured data. And that data we can actually want to name and then retrieve from the objects. But how do we do that? And how do we get data from any object? We'll see that in the next video. That's it for this session. See you in the next one.